Drop the knife.
Hey, you're gonna get tased!
Drop
You're
it.
gonna get tased! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Shots fired.
Don't do it. Stop. You're gonna.
Stop! Stop!
Watch the glass, watch the glass.
On April 18, 2025, just after midnight, Morgan Hill police receive a 911 call. A man armed with a knife was causing a disturbance inside a grocery store in the 800 block of East Dunne Avenue. Officer number 1 arrived, located the suspect, 40-year-old Shaun Hillman.
There's a guy with a knife just walking around, and he has a bottle in the other hand.
Was it the same guy from a while ago?
I'm not sure. Yeah, he's just walking around in the store.
He's over here.
He hasn't done anything, just walking around with a knife? Bring Leslito. Leslito. 2-7, I'm gonna be out with the manager. There is gonna be a BM walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. Do me a favor, ma'am. Can you go that way? Can you guys go that way, please? One 153. Can you bring the shield, please? Hey, firm. I'm trying to get the employees out. You want to drop the knife for me? Want to drop it? So far, refusing commands. Drop the knife. Hey, can you guys all get out of the store for me, please?
Yeah.
Everybody, can you guys all get out of the store?
As officers were clearing the front of the store, Hillman attacked an employee at the back of the store by hitting him in the head with a wine bottle. Officers gave Hillman multiple commands and warned him that he would be tased. Hillman did not comply. Taser was deployed, but it was ineffective, and he ran toward the front of the store.
Hey, which way did he go? Hey, buddy, drop it.
Come on,
Drop it, buddy.
Hey, stop. Come
What
on,
are you doing?
no more.
What are you doing?
No more. You're not in trouble, man.
You're not in trouble. They just don't want you back.
You're not in
the store.
trouble. Come on.
Put the knife down.
What are you doing, bro?
You need to obey our commands.
What are you doing? You're gonna get. This is a lot worse, right? We're literally just trying to talk to you. Did he? Hey, what happened? What happened? Did he hit you? Did he hit you?
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop it.
Drop the knife. Failure to comply with our commands may result
Drop
in
it.
charge.
Hey, you're gonna
Getting
get
done
tased.
Drop
You're
it.
gonna get tased. Get him, Eddie. You're gonna get tased. Failure to listen to my commands will result in force or deadly force used against
He
you.
hit one of the employees back here, Sergeant Silva. Did
Get
he
on the
stab you or
ground
did he
and
hit
drop
you?
the weapon.
Did he stab you or hit you?
Drop the weapon.
Drop the knife.
Yeah, he stabbed him that way.
Hillman began throwing bottles. Officer number 2 deployed his taser, but it had no effect. He then switched to his service weapon. Hillman threw a second bottle at officer number 2. The officer discharged his service weapon. The round missed, and Hillman ran down the aisle toward the back of the store.
Stop it now! Stop it! Stop! Stop!
Stop it!
Shots fired.
Hillman grabbed a store display, picked it up, and charged at Officer Number 1 with a bottle of wine in his other hand. Officer Number 1 discharged his service weapon. Despite being shot in the leg and unable to stay on his feet, Hillman continued to try to stand and advance on the officers.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're gonna lose, man. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's deputies everywhere. There's deputies everywhere, man. Just get down on your knees. Just get down. It's over. Just get down. It's over, man. Come on. You want to fight? Well, get down. All right, you're gonna lose, bro. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do it. Stop. You're gonna. 270 shots fired. Get down. Stop. 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 Just stop. Get down. Get down on your knees. Stop. Stay down. Stay down.
Officers gave Hillman commands to lie on the floor, but he did not comply and continued to try to stand and advance on the officers. Officer Number 2 approached Hillman and again attempted to use a taser, but it was ineffective.
Stop! Stop! Want to get you help? I'm going taser!
Hey, stop, okay? Come on, what's up with it? Get on your stomach right now. Hey, get on your stomach.
No good.
Santa Clara County Sheriff's deputies responded to assist. After multiple deployments of tasers, beanbags, pepper spray, and foam projectiles, Hillman got to his feet and made a final advance on the officers and deputies. Hillman stumbled to the floor and officers moved in to detain him. He resisted multiple officers but was eventually placed in handcuffs.
We want to help you.
Stop!
Get on your
Stomach!
Anybody else got a taser or anything?
Get on your stomach.
Slippery. Stop! Stop!
Wash the gloves, wash the gloves.
He's got my camera. Get out of the way.
I'm slippery. Anybody got a cuff? Get one cuff here. Stop!
Turn around.
We'll get you on, we'll get you on.
There's a cuff.
Okay, get cuff.
Cuff.
Go ahead.
Here's another one.
I got the other one.
Come on.
All right.
Turn around. Here's here.
Are you okay?
The store employee was transported to the hospital with a head injury. No officers were injured during the incident. Officers rendered medical aid until paramedics arrived. Hillman was taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Hillman's knife was recovered. Hillman was charged with multiple felonies, including assault with a deadly weapon on a police officer, and resisting a police officer. The case is being investigated by the Santa Clara County District Attorney's Office.